Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Mondays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's eBook, Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants in the USA, to help you further understand, be more motivated, and thrive in the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to Maestro Sersea's podcast, Immigrants in the USA, where we share helpful tips and insights to inspire immigrants to thrive and reach their American dream. In today's episode, we will listen to the ebook Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants to the United States by Maestro Sersea, and will focus on Chapter 1, Understanding the American Dream, including subchapter, The Importance of the American Dream to Immigrants and Overcoming Challenges on the Path to the American Dream. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 1, Understanding the American Dream. The Importance of the American Dream to Immigrants. Upon my arrival in the United States over 40 years ago, I, like many fellow immigrants, carried within me a strong desire for a brighter future. The American dream encapsulated the belief that through hard work and perseverance, one could achieve success and enhance their economic and social status. It symbolized the fundamental ideals of freedom, equality, and the pursuit of happiness that the United States represented. For immigrants, the American dream is not merely an abstract notion, but rather a profound source of inspiration and a beacon of hope that compels them to leave behind their homelands and embark on a new path. They bid farewell to familiar faces, ancestral dwellings, and sometimes even their native language, all in pursuit of the dreams that hold great significance to them. Their motives may range from escaping poverty, political instability, or persecution, to simply providing their children with a better life. To immigrants, the American dream signifies the opportunity to start anew, liberated from the limitations and constraints that impeded them in their countries of origin. It represents the assurance of a fair and equitable society wherein hard work and talent are rewarded, irrespective of one's background or circumstances of birth. Dreams manifest in various forms, and for immigrants, they often revolve around acquiring education, advancing in their careers, and attaining financial stability. Immigrants envision themselves excelling in their chosen fields, obtaining degrees, establishing successful businesses, and contributing to the fabric of American society. They yearn to grant their children access to quality education, ample opportunities, and a secure future. At the core of the American dream lies the belief that one's efforts and abilities can shape their own destiny. Immigrants perceive the United States as a realm of boundless possibilities, where their determination and resolve can unlock doors that were previously closed to them. This belief empowers them to persevere in the face of challenges, surmount language barriers, adapt to a new culture, and overcome prejudice. However, the American dream does not guarantee success. It serves as an aspiration that necessitates sacrifice, resilience, and unwavering dedication. Immigrants frequently encounter numerous obstacles along their journey, including assimilation into a new culture, discrimination, and economic hardships. Yet, despite these barriers, their determination remains steadfast, and their dreams continue to kindle their spirits. Immigrants bring with them a rich array of skills, talents, and perspectives that imbue American society with diverse vitality. Their contributions in fields ranging from science and technology to arts and entertainment have revolutionized industries and shaped the cultural landscape of the nation. Through the pursuit of their American dreams, immigrants not only improve their own lives, but also contribute to the collective progress and well-being of the United States. In conclusion, the American dream holds immense significance for immigrants, acting as a driving force propelling them toward a brighter future. It embodies their hopes, dreams, and aspirations, fueling their determination to overcome obstacles and construct a life of prosperity and fulfillment. Through this pursuit, immigrants forge their own destinies and contribute to the vibrant tapestry that is the United States of America. Overcoming challenges on the path to the American dream. In my extensive years of teaching and personal experience as an immigrant, I have personally witnessed the difficulties that immigrants encounter when they relocate to a new country. It is essential for newcomers to be aware of and prepare for these obstacles in order to successfully navigate their way towards achieving the American dream. One of the most significant challenges that immigrants face is the existence of cultural barriers. When individuals move to a different country, they are exposed to diverse customs, traditions, and societal norms. The existence of these disparities can be overwhelming and bewildering, making it challenging for immigrants to adjust and integrate into the local community. Immigrants might feel like outsiders, endeavoring to fit in and find their place within this novel society. Additionally, language barriers emerge as a major hurdle. For many immigrants, English may not be their first language. Consequently, communication becomes a daily struggle as they maneuver through unfamiliar vocabulary and phrases. Limited proficiency in the language can hinder their ability to secure employment, pursue advanced education, and even establish basic social connections. Immigrants may experience frustration and isolation, unable to effectively convey their thoughts and ideas or comprehend those of others. Furthermore, socioeconomic obstacles manifest as challenges along the journey to attaining the American dream. Many immigrants originate from countries with distinct economic structures and systems. They may have had thriving careers or businesses in their home countries, only to find themselves starting from scratch in the United States. They encounter difficulties in obtaining suitable employment, often being compelled to engage in low-paying jobs that do not align with their skills and qualifications. The aspiration for financial stability and prosperity may seem unattainable as they grapple with supporting themselves and their families amid the exorbitant cost of living. Overcoming these challenges necessitates determination, perseverance, and a readiness to adapt to the new environment. Immigrants can actively seek out support networks and communities that comprehend their experiences, providing them with guidance and encouragement throughout their journey. Immersion in cultural exchange programs and language classes can also facilitate the process of acclimation to their new surroundings. Moreover, it is crucial for newcomers to take a proactive approach in their pursuit of the American dream. They can avail themselves of educational opportunities to enhance their language skills and acquire new knowledge. It is important for them to invest time in comprehending and appreciating the cultural facets of American society while retaining pride in their own heritage. Engaging in networking opportunities with professionals in their respective fields can open doors to employment prospects and mentorship. By acknowledging and addressing the challenges that immigrants face, individuals can take a pivotal step towards realizing the American dream. Immigrants can equip themselves for the journey ahead by recognizing cultural barriers, language barriers, and socioeconomic obstacles. With a strong sense of resilience and an unyielding determination to succeed, immigrants can navigate these challenges and transform their dreams into a tangible reality in the land of opportunity.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.